makakahanap ng maximum fluoride protection na 50% mas mura. Unique toothpaste na. It's your toothpaste at your price.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo sa toothpaste na ito. 4, 5, 6 nagkamali sa pagtikim.
Ayon sa research, 6 out of 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand.
Leading brand ang akala, Unique toothpaste pala.
Gaya ng leading brand, ang Unique nagbibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath at at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique, up to 50% more affordable.
Kaya sa Unique ka na mag-asa sa bulsa.
Unique, it's your toothpaste at your price.
Unique toothpaste. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Saan ka makakahanap ng maximum fluoride protection na 50% mas mura? Unique toothpaste na. It's your toothpaste at your price.
Welcome to my world. Transworld Tire Center. We bring you the biggest and the newest Bridgestone Service Center in the North. Newest tools and equipment, newest facilities. Transworld Tire Center, giving you the ability and freedom to run errands and take care of tires. We carry and sell a variety of brand name tires and wheels. We bring you very competitive and affordable prices. So for all of your tire needs, visit Transworld Tire Center now. Transworld Tire Center is now open to serve you the best. Transworld Tire Center. Now in Batak City. Transworld Tire Center along National Highway, Barangay 7, Kaunayan, Batak City.
Nakaganito mo kaibigan, makakarating kahit saan. Inasala mo, inaasahan, sa parunoonan. Cheers, panagkag ka, ang pilit mo, walang itoda. Sa JRS, hatid tiwala, tiwala ka sa JRS. Hatid tiwala, hatid JRS, JRS Express.
Now on its new location at Door 4 Avenue Factory Outlet Building, Don E. Luis Street, Laoag City. Call 772-0807.
Take your steps to places where the pleasures of learning and fun truly dwell. At Travel Ilocania Tours and Travel, they offer Ilocos tour packages covering Laoag, Pagudpud, Vigan, and educational tours anywhere in the country. Other services offered: international and domestic airline ticketing, reservation, rebooking, and reconfirmation, hotel booking and resort accommodations, processing of passport, visa, and other travel documents, arrangement for transport services, and tour guiding. Travel Ilocania is also an authorized ticket agent of Cebu Pacific. It is owned and managed by Angel Alvarez Lao. For bookings or inquiries, call 770-5050 and 770-4049 or visit their website at www.travelilocania.com. So, make memories worth remembering with families and friends with Travel Ilocania, your tour partner.
Magtanong nga tayo kung ano ang #1 choice bookstore in the North. Katrina, preschooler. May pinakamagandang notebooks, colors, pencils, and bags. Sa N-Corpus lang yon mabibili. Mrs. Divina, grade school principal.
Siyempre, pinakamura and affordable at kompleto pa sa Enterprises.
Samantha, high school student. Lahat kami ng classmates ko ay doon parati sa kompleto at pinakamura at pinaka-accessible sa lahat. N-Corpus lang. Wala nang iba. Kita nyo na? Wala nang ibang choice. N-Corpus Enterprises lang. The most affordable, the most accessible dahil madaling puntahan with its 6 branches at NCC, Northwestern, Divine, Bonifacio Street, Laoag, Batak Marcos Highway. Kaya tara, let's kabsat to everybody's choice. The best bookstore in the North. N-Corpus Enterprises.
Si Daniel Padilla to, and it's Swift Mighty Meaty time.
Kaya ko kahit ano, handa na para sa mundo.
Ang Swift Mighty Meaty hotdog ay meat-loaded at nagbibigay energy, kaya magugulat ka sa magagawa mo.
Malaman ang bawat bite, puno ng meaty hotdog bite. Swift Mighty Meaty, Swift Mighty Meaty, Mighty Meaty.
Kaya mong maging mighty, Swift Mighty Meaty.
Bula la 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 la, bula 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 bula.
Anong bula-bula? Itong bath soap ko nga hindi pa ubos, parang hindi na mabula.
Mrs. Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS iFM. Ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig. Number 1 ka sa akin. iFM ay aking best friend. iFM ay aking best friend.
How can I tell you that I love you? I love it always ends up to one thing, honey. Still I kneel upon the floor.
Di na kayang mapanggap ng pusong hirap. Bakit ngayon ko lang nalaman ang tunay na nararamdaman? Di alam ang gagawin, gusto ko sanang sabihin. Nasa loob na tong damdamin, kailan kay magdaan? Lagi ko sa iyong pararamdam. Ang pusong di pa napansinan, tunay na nililihim. Kailan ba masasabi sa'yo? Tanging ikaw lamang ang laging nasa isip. Bawat patulugan, ikaw ang panaginip. Tanging ikaw lamang ang laging nasa isip ko. Ang ngiti at iyong tingin, paano ba maangkin? Sa pinapangako ko'y tanging ikaw. Iba ang kaba na nadarama, lalo ngayong kaharap kita. Tanging hiling sa pag-amin, sana'y tingin. Tanging ikaw lamang ang laging nasa isip. Bawat patulog ay ikaw ang panaginip. Tanging ikaw lamang ang laging nasa isip. Bawat patulog ay ikaw ang panaginip. Tanging ikaw lamang ang laging nasa isip ko. Ang ngiti at iyong tingin, paano ba maangkin? Ang siyempre na pangarap ko'y tanging ikaw. iFM ay aking best friend.
She knows when I'm lonesome. She cried, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you.
iFM. Best friend mo at best friend ko.
Best friend mo at best friend ko. Magandang morning pa rin sa inyo lahat, mga best friend. It's alas 9. Pasado na, no? Alas 10 na pala. Akala ko alas 9 pa lang. 10:47. Yan ang ating oras at kumusta sa lahat ng mga magaganda, mga pogi. Oh, you can check, we're on live streaming. It's a test pa rin. Sa YouTube, ano? Check us out. iFM 99.5 Laoag. Oh, makikita mo ang aking anino, ha? Pag naka-YouTube ka ngayon, best friend, mamaya, mag-YouTube ka. Tingnan mo na lang kami, ha, sa iFM 99.5 Laoag. Oh, live streaming yan. Medyo napuputol-putol lang sometimes because of, alam niyo na, pag sa internet. Oo. Pero mamaya, makinig mo. At, we're on live, ha? Tingnan mo na lang, RJ, ano? I-search mo na lang yung sinabi ko kanina, iFM 99.5. Going back sa ating hashtagan ngayong umaga. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Scarlett de la Cruz, at lahat ng mga taga-barangay 4 New Storm Riders. Sana lagi umaraw para makapatuyo ako ng nilabhan, sabi. Oo nga naman. Bakit? Sa lugar ba ninyo ngayon, hindi pa kayo inaaraw? Inaaraw-araw lang ng pagmamahal? Si Marisol Pablo sabi, sana lagi na lang ganito pag walang ibang iniisip at laging masaya. Ako, mas maganda yung sana laging masaya. Kalimutan na ang lungkot, ha? Sana lagi, yun ang ating hashtag. Si Jack naman sabi niya, sana laging mag-iingat sa akin ng mahal kahit saan ka pumunta dahil mamahalin kita higit pa sa at aalagaan pa kita, sabi. Sabi ni Jack, hi sa kanyang mga kaibigan, si Joy, si Jinky, si lahat ng mga best friend natin. Kay Jella, Jen, Emmy, and especially kay Cheryl. Na aking mahal, that's coming from Jack. Magandang umaga, Julius. Sabi naman niya, sana lagi kang masaya sa piling niya. At saka si, si Paolo sabi, sana lagi na lang umaaraw para matuyo ang aking nilabahan. Ang hirap-hirap, kahapon pa. Basta, lalo na pag wala kang dryer, mahirap magpapatuyo, di ba? Ipayangyang mulatan. I-hanger mo. Parang yung pagmamahal mo, laging nakahanger. Hi sa mga kaibigan ko, greet ko si Jeremy, Joy, Maricel, Catherine, Rona, at saka si Jamaica and Geraldine. Okay, hanapin natin. At kay Johan Domingo daw. Hi sa inyo lahat. Bernalette, sabi naman niya, sana lagi kitang kasama sa isang bubong para lagi sana nating pagsaluhan ang ligaya ng pag-ibig. Okay, hi sa'yo, Bernalette. When? Si Kamet, chat, Barangay 4, Laoag City. Kumusta? Saan ang ulam natin dyan? Sila ka man timarong dahil, nainit kampi uong. Si Cheryl naman sabi, sana lagi kaming masaya, walang tampuhan o away at sana magsama kaming dalawa, sabi. Dahil miss na miss ko na siya. Talaga? Sa asawa ko na si Jack, sabi. Si Maylene naman sabi niya, sana laging nandyan ka para sa akin. Oo naman, para hindi ka niya iwan, ano? Don't forget, this coming October 14, it's the anniversary of District Super Club. District 1 Super Club, Laoag City. Punta kayo, ha, mga best friend, dahil maraming mga surprises and your chance to win cell phone unit. One cell phone. At saka VIP pass. A year. Okay, good for 1 year. And many more. At pupunta si Alab Koy of Manila and DJ Isle and many more. Don't forget, October 14, it's gonna be a red letter day for you. At sa lahat din ng mga taga-Uniqlo, andyan kami yesterday, lahat ng mga kasama natin sa media. At yung mga iba pang mga nakasama natin na doctors and government officials. Magandang afternoon sa inyo, morning, ha, masyado akong advance. Happy lunchtime, ha, sa inyo lahat, mga best friend natin na nakapit pa rin sa IFM. Ang best friend mo, Supaya.
IFM ay aking best friend.
Heaven and earth will pass away, but my words will not pass away.
Matthew 24:35. Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3. Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
No kalakaan nga presyo tiin kayo kasapulan, jay Wide West Commercial tiin kayo papanan. Wide West Commercial. Ipaay namin ti presyong kaibigan, iti grocerisyo, ken daddo mapay. Wide West Commercial. Masarakan, iti Barangay 16, Villanueva Street, Laoag City. Loud laing iti tiyandaan.
Kulang ka ba sa budget? Here is so affordable. Vertex. 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 Sandy Falls. Vertex. 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 Sandy Falls.
Laging hinahanap-hanap ang cake mula sa Cookie House. As the years go by, hindi pa rin nagbabago ang espesyal na lasa nito na perfect talaga para sa birthdays, weddings, graduations at kahit anumang okasyon. Andun pa rin ang paborito mong baked pastries, cake rolls, pasalubong goodies like yema and pastillas at marami pang iba. Cookie House pa rin ang the best. Sa katunayan, magsa-celebrate na sila ng 25 years in business. Yan ang Cookie House. Kaya punta na sa Cookie House Main at General Segunda Avenue near Max's Restaurant. Cookie House Laoag Goodyear Servitec Branch at Cookie House Bridgestone Batak Branch. For inquiries and reservations, please call 772-0871 or 770-3026.
Bula, 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 bula. Anong bula-bula? Itong bath soap ko nga hindi pa ubos, parang hindi na mabula.
Mrs. Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula, 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
Sulit na sulit. Bula, 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 bulala.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. IFM. Best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM. Best friend mo at best friend ko.
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor,
I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
we keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I die a little more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough. It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep. But I'll never show it on my face. But we know this. We got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm
When you're with him, do you call his name like you do when you're with me? Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready to settle down? Or would you play it safe and stay? Girl, you know this. We got a love that is hopeless. Why can't I hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? can't I hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor?
I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours. Oh, why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm why can't I say that I'm yours? I wanna shout it from the rooftops. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't we be like that? Wish we could be like
Wanted, future girlfriend. Medyo mahaba ang buhok, maputi, magaling manamit. Wag lang mga babaeng sosyal. Simple, manonood ng sine. Magkakape dyan sa tabi-tabi, siya pang manlilibre. Kung sino ka man, magpakilala ka na. Kahit kilala kita, di ba ikaw si gusto ko lang ng girlfriend na makausap sa gabi. Gusto ko lang ng girlfriend na di mahirap mahalin. O alam kong ang dami-dami dyan, pero nag-iisa ka lang. Gusto ko lang ng girlfriend na tulad mo. Grabe, wala akong masabi. Ubod ka ng beautiful support. Bagay kayo ni sikreto para bito. Hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo, hindi ko sasabihin sa'yo. Kung sino ka man, magpakilala ka na. Dahil kilala kita, di ba ikaw si girlfriend na makausap sa gabi. Gusto ko lang ng girlfriend na di mahirap mahalin. O alam ko nga dami-dami dyan, pero nag-iisa ka lang. Gusto ko lang ng girlfriend.
Yes, Transworld Tire Center. Now in Batak City. Transworld Tire Center along National Highway, Barangay 7, Kaunayan, Batak City.
Now, Hotel Tiffany of Laoag has better things to offer for the weary traveler. A brownout-free environment for your constant comfort. A cable TV in every room for your entertainment. All rooms are equipped with hot or cold shower to refresh you anytime. Air conditioning is a standard feature for every room. A secured and spacious parking space is available at the rear for peace of mind. Hotel Tiffany of Laoag. Easy on your budget, great for your comfort. Located at the heart of Laoag City, just a scroll away from the business and shopping districts. For inquiries and reservations, call 770-3550. Hotel Tiffany of Laoag.
Isuzu BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated is inviting the public to its 2017 fifth quarter caravan for Isuzu vehicles. Isuzu genuine parts and preventive maintenance services on October 16 to 21, 2017 at Casiano Petron Gas Station along National Highway, Barangay 16, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Available units for sale. The all-new 2017 Isuzu 3.0-liter and 2.5-liter Mu X SUV. 2017 Isuzu D-Max LS, LTX and LT. 2017 Isuzu Crosswind and 2017 Isuzu Light Trucks and Heavy Trucks. Isuzu Parts and Service Caravan is brought to you by BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated. O, print mo. Pwede yan sa T-Shirt Factory Laoag. Meron silang iba't ibang klase ng t-shirt printing at personalized print ng mugs, tumblers, keychains, puzzles, sport jug, bag tag, bottom pins, stickers, card decals, at personalized acrylic products gaya ng trophies, plaques, nameplates, table name signs, at iba pa. I-personalize mo na din ang inyong invitations, souvenirs, at giveaways. At para mas masaya ang okasyon, renta ka na ng kanilang photo booth. Be unique. Create your own style. Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa T-Shirt Factory. Barangay 11, General Segundo Avenue, Bacara Road, Laoag City. Laoag Bangi Terminal. Call 300-0995 or 0942-560-2672. Like them on Facebook. T-Shirt Factory Laoag. Now accepting embroidery printing. Dekalidad ken kinampitas si pagsasaritaan ag turungen ijay Ideal Bazaar. Namin ket aglako da iti naduma-duma nga tagilako. Akasi ti gitara, ukulele, ken bandorya, lyre, bass drum, snare drums, triple drum, adapay sewing machine, trophies, ken award medals, calculator, CD, VCD, DVD players, TV, ken electric fan, online at adanap transistor radio, cassette recorders, ken wall clocks, ken relos para babae ken lalaki. The Ideal Bazaar. At picture die ti Rush ID. 1x1 ken 2x2 picture. Passport, visa. Maarami na bay na picture mo nga black and white iti color.
hurry, yes, girl, while those feet cold. We just getting started, don't you tiptoe, tiptoe. Waste time with a masterpiece, waste time with a masterpiece. You should be wrong with me, you should be wrong with me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Delicious. Talk to me. That's right. I'm ready. Chocolate in the light. Confetti, I'm ready. I need it every night. Red velvet, vanilla. Chocolate in the light. Keep on hoping. Cake by the ocean. IFM. Best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM. Best friend mo at best friend ko.
Best friend mo, best friend ko, magandang lunchtime niyo lahat. It's alas 11:15. Magandang lunchtime na sa lahat ng mga kumakain na ngayon dyan. Kung hindi pa kumakain, kumain ka na lang mamaya, ha? Pwede nyo kami tingnan sa YouTube, iFM 99.5 Laoag. Andun kami, ha? Kikita ninyo yung ang aking kontrabidang pagmumukha. Happy lunchtime everyone sa lahat ng mga nakiki-hashtag sa atin ngayon. Hello sa inyo lahat sa may Barangay 29 at saka dyan din sa may San Mateo. Wala kayong mga kuryente kahapon, no? Sa Riweg, basta dito rin sa sentro ng Laoag.
Punta na lang tayo ngayon sa Hotel Tiffany Building, Bacara Road, General Segundo Avenue, Laoag City. Nagugutom na kasi ako.
Okay, basta treat mo.
Sige ba? Mura na, masarap pa sa Macy's Diner dahil laging bagong luto.
It's time to eat at Macy's Diner. Meron akong ibabalita sa iyo, sweetheart.
Ano yun?
Sa studio, digital printing na sila. Mas mabilis at maganda ang pagkagawa ng mga ID pictures like passport, visa, 1x1, 2x2, at 3 poses studio portraits sa murang halaga lang. Pictures na black and white pwedeng gawing colored at mga lumang pictures kaya nilang gawing bago kahit walang negative. At Heto pa, sweetheart. Mga pictures na kuha sa cellphone at digital camera, kaya na nilang i-print.
Kung ganon, sweetheart, papaprintin ako sa Studio Technique.
Pero di lang yan, sweetheart. Nagbebenta rin sila ng camera, videotapes, and cassette tapes, films, batteries, and picture frames. Tumatanggap din sila ng plastic ID lamination. Tandaan mo, sweetheart, digital printing na ang Studio Technique ngayon.
The Studio Technique, General Segundo Avenue, tabi ng St. Peregrine Pharmacy, Laoag City.
Take a great pause and avail their Barkada and Pang-Estudyante package at reasonable price.
Gusto mo na makakatipid, makakamura at makakasulit sa pangarap na sasakyan? Sa Mitsubishi Ilocos na ang punta mo. Nasa may Barangay 50 Butong Airport Road lang siya. Di lang yun, official 5-star repair shop pa sila na kayang gawin lahat ng mga brands sa sasakyan because of their high-tech and Class A facilities. At eto pa, bukod sa Class A facilities, their mechanics are trained by different brands here and abroad. Lahat ng yan sa affordable na presyo. Ayun o, kung matipid, mura at sulit din lang, sa Mitsubishi Ilocos na lang.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us, all the stars are watching. There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Your eyes are where I'm lost in. Underneath the chandelier, dancing all alone. There's no reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Oh, oh, take it off for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. Put you on the floor. Let's move in.
Big ng #1 dishwashing paste, nasa Smart Dishwashing Liquid din. Tanggaling-galing sa presyong magaling din.
Ay, after cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing of the pinagluto. Masibong masibong.
Ganito. Good sa pagod mo. Monroe Bar, cozy and homey style of relaxing. Sa Monroe Bar, lagi kang gising with very accommodating guest relation officers. Just for you, sirs. Monroe Bar has wide parking space, kaya lahat ng barkada pwedeng isama. Monroe Bar at number 50, Bucaucan Road, Baguio City. Monroe Bar, ang #1 bar sa Baguio City. Chew the store at Monroe Bar. See you in Baguio.
Welcome to my world. Transworld Tire Center. We bring you the biggest and the newest Bridgestone service center in the north. Newest tools and equipment, newest facilities. Transworld Tire Center, giving you the ability and freedom to run errands and take care of tires. We carry and sell a variety of brand name tires and wheels. We bring you very competitive and affordable prices. So for all of your tire needs, visit Transworld Tire Center now. Transworld Tire Center is now open to serve you the best. Transworld Tire Center. Now in Batak City. Transworld Tire Center along National Highway, Barangay 7, Kaunayan, Batak City.
IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig. #1 ka sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend.
shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa.
Baby, we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come on.
11:45. Oras sa sa inyo ng Judgment Candy. Instant chillax katol.
At palaging nasa paligid lamang natin.
Recommended ng combo meals at singles. Wak sa budget.
Pag may okasyon.
May catering services at free use of function room.
Okay yan. Tawag na ako sa 770-3551 para magpa-reserve.
770-3551? Tara, punta na lang tayo ngayon sa Hotel Tiffany Building, Bacara Road, General Avenue, Laoag City. Nagugutom na ko.
Okay, basta treat mo.
Sige ba? Mura na, masarap pa sa Macy's Diner dahil laging bagong luto.
It's time to eat at Macy's Diner.
Ellis Goldsmith and Jewelry Shop, maker of quality jewelry, surely capture your fascination like graduation ring, wedding ring, and a lot more. Feast your eyes upon their cool and elegant rings, earrings, and jewelry sets. They also have Singaporean jewelry that would surely complement your personality and style. Ellis Goldsmith and Jewelry Shop, number 38, Samonte Street, 5 Laoag City, with telephone number 77-1519. Owned and by Manang Ellie Martin. Ellis Goldsmith.
All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say ayaga-yaga-yo, ayaga-yaga-yo. Our children will pray one day, yeah, one day, one day, Lord, one day, one day.
Konnichiwa. Bagong lipat nga pala ako dito sa tapat ng bahay mo.
I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smiled and I reached out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look and then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Ay, kita mo bang bulag ako? Ano naman kung bulag ka? Ako naman ang magsisilbing mata mo eh.
Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I do something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people. Two less lonely people in the world tonight.
There's nothing here to doubt, not to fear. You can lay our questions down, 'cause if you open me, IFM ay aking best friend.
12 noon. Oras hatid sa inyo ng Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
Smoke emission test ba? Huwag mong problema. Laoag Emission Test Center. Equipment ay bagong-bago. Pasado sa Bureau of Product Standards at Clean Air Act at tamang-tama ang calibration. Laoag Emission Test Center. Malapit lang sila, kaya walang malaking abala. Visit Laoag Emission Test Center, General Segundo Avenue, Laoag City, north of DWCL, or call 770-4131 and 770-4190. Laoag Emission Test Center, accredited by LTO and certified by DENR.
Madami talaga ang nakakapansin kung bakit na gumaganda ang face at skin ko. Ang sikreto ko? Yushea. Yushea skincare products is excellent for skin irregularities like acne, pimples, warts, old skin, or blackheads, whiteheads,
evidences na pwede natin gawin ang panibagong release order kay Solano. Bukod sa obstruction of justice at sabi sa mga isinampa ng Manila Police District, laban kay Solano ay murder, perjury, robbery at paglabag sa anti-gay law. Kahapon una nang nilinaw ni Assistant Secretary Susan Villanueva na wala ng palasyo sa right to privacy para sa redacted statement of assets, liabilities, and o SALN ng mga miyembro ng gabinete ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ang gate ni Pimentel kung ayaw magsapubliko ng SALN ay huwag na lamang magtrabaho sa gobyerno. Binigyan din ni Pimentel na dapat ay pantay-pantay lahat. Buri ng suporta ni Pimentel sa isinusulong ni Senator Antonio Trillanes IV na investigasyon upang mabusisi ang SALN law at polisiya hinggil dito. Narito po ang pahayag ni Senator